Dead kitty. Dead. The kitty's dead.
Hi, Brayden.
Hi.
My name's Tess.
Hi, Max.
You here to draw with me today?
Yeah.
What are you drawing?
Kitty's in a pool.
What do you like about cats?
They're so cute.
What do they sound like? If you had a kitty, what would you name it?
Mr. Meow.
Do kitties normally go in a pool, by the way? No. Do they like water? You're pushing boundaries. I like that. Is that creepy?
Yeah. A little bit cute.
But a little bit cute?
I just spoke with Brayden. He drew a picture, which is a little unusual, to be fair.
Pool of kitties. Lots of kitties in there. It's an orange pool.
And they're all at the bottom of a swimming pool.
They're not at the bottom. They're swimming.
No, but they started at the bottom of a swimming pool, and then they just piled up. As they do.
How do you feel about all those cats?
Good.
Tess?
I'm super excited about 20. How many cats do we have? Like 20 something cats?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
34.
24 cats and 32 steps on a ladder. Got it. Oh. Well, hold please.
32 cats in the
32
backyard.
cats in the backyard pool.
Do you think you have enough cats? I feel like there's a lot. And they would all be called Mr. Meow? How would you tell them apart?
They're all named Mr. Meow. Here I'm going to do a golden cat. Hey, get Jolly.
Okay.
You know what, Brayden? You want kitties? I'm giving you kitties.
It's all done.
Can I borrow your drawing?
Can I borrow yours, Jolly?
Absolutely.
I got a lot of cats to make, so let's get started. We're gonna start off by frosting it blue. The way he drew it, it could be an empty pool and just have cats in it, or it could be a pool full of water. I'm gonna say they're swimming. Brayden's cake has a little border around the pool, so we're gonna try to do that best we can here. I did clarify and ask if this was like a top-down bird's eye view of the pool or if this was sort of a cross-section of the pool.
This is the bottom of the pool. These are the sides of the pool.
That's what I thought. It is most definitely a cross-section of the pool, and this is the deep end. For ladders, I'm thinking red vine. Oh, look at that, that's perfect. Yes, slay. This is lit. This cake is fire right now.
Okay, so the ladder goes up to the pool, right?
Yeah.
And then the kitties jumped in?
So this is one rung on the ladder and only 31 to go.
Do you think he's going to point out the fact that this ladder is actually inside of the pool, therefore these cats have the ability to escape?
I wanted to give the cats a fighting chance.
How many rungs on the ladder?
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7,
31.
31. Boom, Brayden. In terms of the cats, I think I might take Oreos and dip them in purple candy milk. So I have 32 cats, and I'm gonna give them ears and a face afterwards. Place down the cats. I don't know if there's gonna be room for all these cats. I might have to pile them on top of each other. I think we're just gonna make it. Meow, 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 meow. 32 cats in a pool.
All the kitties, they all listen to that golden kitty.
No idea how to make golden Mr. Meow. And it seems to be survival of the fittest because he made it to the top.
That's like, he's the golden one.
He's the golden one.
Because the other ones are suffocating, that's why they're purple. And then he's the only one with colors still.
Before I deal with the fact that I have no idea what to do with the golden cat, I'm going to do the 5 faces and the ears. 27 of the cats are facing the back of the pool, and 5 of them are facing the front. I don't know. I'm gonna roll out some purple fondant. I'm gonna snip, snip, snip. And fondant, I use it all the time. I love it. It seems really intimidating, but to be honest, it's just Play-Doh for bakers. And you can, oh, it looks like shit. Don't use scissors. Damn it. Ears on a cat. So when I look at Braden's drawing, I feel like the ears are a much bigger component. So these are not quite to scale, but it's creative liberty. So 5 faces. So we're doing 10 eyes. He looks terrified. He looks so unhappy down there.
Get in a pool. Get in a pool.
Golden cat. Tripping me out, golden cat. We are so close.
Come on, Jess. You got it. How are you making it? Come on.
I'm so overwhelmed right now. Okay, let's think on the fly right now.
Get in a pool.
I creatively solved my golden cat by using leftover yellow frosting from a previous cake and a golden Oreo. I'm just gonna do a good old Laffy Taffy ear. Okay, pretty sure I have 32 rungs on a ladder, 32 purple cats, 1 golden Mr. Meow, and a swimming pool full of them. Nailed it!
What if I said Miss Tess has a surprise for you?
I really want Braden to look at the cake and just go, kitty, kitty.
Kitty.
Like, I just want him to say kitty.
I'm bringing you a surprise.
He'll be sweet about it, even if he's judging me quietly.
No peeking. I'm going to tell you when, okay?
If he sees it as cats at all, I'm going to be thrilled.
Ready? Go.
Cake!
What is it?
It's my pool of kitties.
What's at the top?
The golden kitty.
What's his name?
Golden Meow.
Do you see what's on the side?
The ladder.
And what's the blue?
The water.
How do you like your cake?
Then
Do you recognize what it is?
it's the pool of Mr. Meows.
Yeah! 32 of these, and 32 of these, and 1 golden meow.
There's one more thing missing from here.
What happened?
It's eyeball.
It's eyeball!
I ate it.
What's your favorite part of the cake, Braden?
The golden Mr. Meow.
You want to guess how I made it?
Oreo.
Do you want to eat a kitty?
No way.
Why don't you want to eat a kitty?
That's too cute.
Oh, thanks!
Oh,
Oh, here we go.
it's too cute. I'm afraid to eat
Don't
it.
be afraid. Don't be afraid.
I'm bringing the Oreo.
Oh,
I want to take this home and eat it.
I think we can make that happen. We can put it in a box for you. Kitty is drowning in cake.
Dead kitty. Dead. The kitty's dead.
Got a little something on your face. There you go. Bye, buddy.
Bye.
Bye.
That cake was delicious.
I think that went really well. He recognized it right away. The look on his face was pretty epic. I think that was a job really well done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you've ever spent forever making a cake or just want to share your favorite cake creations with us. We really love it. Until next time, see you guys.